Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a makeup tutorial for you all today. I will be using the Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette by beige Cosmetics. I'll be going in with this tan shade, light brown shade as a transition color, and I'm just gonna use a fluffy blending brush to blend that into my crease. Next, I'm gonna use this smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna apply this pink color right into the inner crease of my eye. And I'm just going to continue to add color until I feel that it's pigmented enough. Be sure to lightly add this color in with the brush so that you don't end up exfoliating your skin by mistake. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to use a flat brush to apply that to my lid. You're going to want to take your time when applying this because you want to make sure that you get your entire lid and you don't smudge any of this on the cut crease part of your eye look. And I'm just gonna go in and do the same to the other side. Now I'm going in with this flat brush from e.l.f. I'm going to apply this deeper pink color where I applied the concealer. I'm just going to apply it in a downward sweeping motion. And be sure to always tap off any excess eyeshadow that may be on your flat eyeshadow brush or any brush so that you don't end up getting a lot of eyeshadow on the rest of your face, a lot of fallout. And take your time with this and make sure that you don't miss any spots, that the color is very pigmented. Now I'm going in with this gold color, and I'm just going to spray it with some of that NYX setting spray so that the color can be more intense. Whenever you want to give an eyeshadow more pigment, try to wet your brush with some setting spray or some kind of water. You can even use water. And that usually makes the pigment of the eyeshadow a bit more bright, a bit more sparkly, depending on the color that you're using. Now I'm just gonna apply that gold color to half of my lid. And you also want to make sure that you tap this on slowly. Because I feel that that is the easiest way to build the color up. Now I'm going to go back in with that first brush from Wet n Wild and just blend in any harshness that may be between these eyeshadow colors. The key is to always blend any harshness in order for it to look very nice and blend it out together. It gives a good dimension of color. I went off camera and added lashes and liner. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me in 310, my Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna apply it with this beauty sponge. I like to just dab some foundation on my face and then slowly add more. That way I don't end up adding more on one side or the other. Make sure when you're using any sponge, by the way, that you wet the sponge first. It has to be dampened in order for it to work well. Now I'm just going in, lightly pressing the foundation onto my skin with the sponge. Take your time with this. Make sure you blend this out very well. And be sure not to mess up your eyebrows while doing this. Now I'm going in with my concealer and I'm going to conceal under my eyes. Just going to create a bit of a triangle under both of my eyes. Now I'm going to use that same sponge and I'm going to blend out the concealer that I put under my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Airspun loose face powder in translucent, and I'm just going to set it under my eyes so that concealer stays put. Now for contouring, I'm going in with my beige Cosmetics contouring kit, and I'm just going to use this light brown color. And I'm going to dab that brush into the color and slowly apply it onto my face. I like this technique because it allows me to build up the color slowly. And I'm just going to add the product onto the middle of my cheek. On both sides, and now I'm just going to blend that out with this fluffy brush. Also, I'm going in to my forehead in order to add some of that color back in. I like to first apply it where I want the color to be, and then I go back in and I blend it out more so that it can mesh well with my foundation. Now I'm going in with this fluffy brush to remove any excess loose powder that may still be on my face under my eyes. For highlighter, I'm going in with the AOA highlighter from Shop Miss A with this little brush, and I'm just going to apply it right above the contour. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. I'm also going to add some on my nose and on my chin. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals blush. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to apply this to the cheek to the apple of my cheeks, And I go in lightly in circular motions everywhere that I want there to be that pop of color. And now I'm just going to go in on the other side and do the same thing. Remember, always go in lightly with these brushes because you don't want to end up exfoliating your face. Now for lipstick, I'm going in with MAC Velvet Teddy. And now I'm going to set my makeup with this NYX matte finishing spray so that I can stay put all the time. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.